Good morning, Philippines. Good morning, world. Welcome to my minutes. I'm here to talk about the stairs and how we got to this result. First off, we ripped off that old carpet, and if you ask me how old it was, I don't know, but I know it's really old because when we ripped it off, it was actually sandy and there was a lot of grains that went into our eyes. So after we ripped the carpets off, we have to pull all the staples that they used to hold the carpet down, and that took like, oh my gosh, maybe half a day, maybe to a full day, because there was so many of them and they were there and rusty, so some of them was hard to pull. And once we got that done, we started sanding the treads down and the balusters. So that took like around maybe a day or so of just pure sanding. So we decided to frame the walls surrounding the stairs so it's not so boring. So that took like a weekend and some nights for us to do, you know, including painting, caulking, and sanding. So at this point we were like almost a week to the project. And also we had to add that board because we found out going through these changes that it was not up to code. Actually, a child can go through that if we didn't do it. So we boarded that up, make it look like it was just part of the stairs. And then also we added a landing because before this was not there. There was the original landing, and then you have to step up, turn, and there's another landing up there. So to avoid tripping, we just added this one. So guys, let's talk about the paint colors that we chose on this project. First off, the gray on the walls and the treads of the stairs. We chose this color because it's very clean. As you can see, if the light hits it, it looks like it's olive, but when it's dark, it's gray. So it's very beautiful. It always catches our visitors' attention. And also we use just bright white for the railings and the wainscoting. So we, you know, these are all satin finish. So guys, let me touch about the paint finish. We chose the satin finish so that it's not slippery, but it's still very durable. You can wipe it with soap and water if there's any dirt on, for example, this one. I'm very sure that's my husband's boots. So I can just wash that with soap and water with a soft cloth. Lastly, I want to talk about the stair lights. So you can buy this from Home Depot or Lowe's. We bought this from Home Depot a while ago, and this is the brand. I don't think they carry this anymore, but we usually buy 2 packs just in case one of these light bulbs will go out, and we have to change it. So in order for us to not take everything out, we bought some spare ones. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. This is my minutes. God bless.